How to transfer gallery photos from one phone to another. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can transfer gallery photos from one phone to another. So before we begin, if you're new here, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So first you will need to update your device's software to the latest version. So tap on your gear icon, or basically your settings, then scroll down, find System, tap on it, and then tap on System Updates. After that, check for updates, and if you do find an update, update it to the latest version. After you've done that, you can then locate your gallery app and then open it up. After that, all you have to now do is make sure that you've turned on your Bluetooth. So you can swipe down from the top, tap on your Bluetooth and turn it on. After doing that, select the pictures that you want to share, then tap on the share button. There you will find the quick share option. After you've selected the files, you will need to turn on your Bluetooth. And after you do that, you will then need to do the same on your other device. And then you will find that device right here on this section. Just select the device, and then after you selected it, you'll need to accept it from that device. It's basically like AirDrop, but for Android. After you select that, it will then start sharing your images, and it's that simple. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.